Welcome to the flavorful world of French cuisine. From the elegant streets of Paris to the picturesque vineyards of Burgundy, French cuisine is renowned worldwide for its rich flavors and exquisite techniques. Let's start our culinary exploration with the beloved croissant. This flaky, buttery pastry is the perfect way to start a French breakfast. Then, we move on to the aromatic bouillabaisse, a traditional Provençal fish stew that is filled with the flavors of the Mediterranean. Next up, the coq au vin. This iconic dish features tender chicken simmered in red wine along with onions, mushrooms, and herbs. It's a true taste of the French countryside. And who can forget the famous ratatouille? This colorful vegetable medley will transport you to the sunny hills of Provence with each vibrant bite. Of course, no trip to France would be complete without indulging in a crème brûlée. Its smooth, creamy custard topped with a caramelized sugar crust is simply irresistible. French cuisine has inspired countless chefs around the world, and it's no wonder why. With its emphasis on fresh ingredients, classic techniques, and bold flavors, French cuisine truly embodies the art of gastronomy. So whether you're savoring a warm baguette in a bustling Parisian bistro or enjoying a decadent chocolate soufflé in a quaint cafe, the flavors of French cuisine will transport you to a world of culinary delight. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey through French cuisine. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious food adventures.